once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button, subscribe to our channel, and please do click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, we're going to make a sausage hot pot. Loads of different vegetables in there, like a kind of nice sausage stew. We've got some baked beans in there, carrots, celery, potatoes. I've added a little bit of chili. You can be adding any kind of spices or herbs that you like. I'm using a nice pork sausage. You can use hot dogs, chicken sausages, turkey sausages, any sausages you like. In fact, veggie sausages will also work. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we're going to use for this. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using, and just to let you know, you can play around with this one a real lot. You can be adding different stuff to it. So, okay, sausages. So these are some sausages that I cooked. In fact, they were from a last video that I've just done for the English breakfast. I didn't end up using them. These are a nice pork sausage. You can be using a beef sausage, a chicken sausage. You could be using hot dogs, anything you like. But yeah, these are a really lovely type of sausage. 1 can of tomatoes. Then I've got a few carrots, some potatoes, 1 large onion, a few bell peppers, nice bit of colour in there, 1 small can of baked beans, a little bit of celery. Here I've got some optional chili flakes and sage. Now you could be putting in rosemary, thyme, marjoram, bay leaf. You know, you can really play around with this one. I've got a little bit of bacon there, like a few rashers of bacon that I've just chopped up just to give it a little flavour. Here I've got some English mustard, like, you know, a nice heaped teaspoon. English mustard is going to give you that nice kick. The yellow mustard you guys use in America doesn't have the same punch. This is kind of quite strong actually. 135 grams of tomato paste, which is one of those little kind of Tetra packs, those little packs of tomato paste. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, and here I've got some Worcester sauce. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. It's really easy. So we've got ourselves a pot or a pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil today. Anything pretty much works. Let's start off by dropping in that onion, our chopped garlic, the celery, and that little bit of bacon. In that goes. Medium heat, about 3 minutes. Let's throw this around in the pan. Could not be easier. What we're going to do now is I'm going to get a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and I'm going to get my herb in. I'm using sage and chili flakes. Like I say, play around with that. You can get that where you want it to be. Then we're going to add in our potatoes and our carrots. I've gone for like 2 to 1 with the carrots and potatoes. Think about mushrooms, eggplants, zucchini. When this is anything goes really. Parsnip, swede, other kind of root vegetables. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes, medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. We're well on our way. Fantastic. Now I'm going to drop in my sausages, and what I've done with those, as you can see, I've cut them into kind of bite-sized pieces, quite large bite-sized pieces actually. You can leave them in whole if you wanted, or cut them much smaller, that's up to you. Let's also add now those bell peppers, that little bit of colour. Medium heat, we're staying on that. We're going to go another 3 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, next step, we're going to drop in that 1 can of tomatoes. I've chopped them up roughly as well. We're then going to add in that tomato paste. With a bit of Worcester sauce. The English mustard, like I say, English mustard is very spicy. Absolutely delicious. Try and use that if you can. A little bit of water. Quarter cup, half cup. We're going to give this a mix, and then what we're going to do is pop a lid on this and let it go for about 6 minutes. We've still got our baked beans to go, but I don't want to put them in just yet. So lid on, see in about 6 minutes. Okay, let's jump in now and have a look. Let it steam out. And as you can see, that's got a nice kind of deeper in red colour. Nice deep red that's gone. What we're looking for here, let me just grab a knife. We're looking to see how our potatoes and that are doing. Okay, they're nice. Carrots. Nice. I like a nice little bite in my carrots and that. Now we're just going to drop in those baked beans. They had a lovely sweetness to it, which I really love. So we just need to go now, for me, like make sure your vegetables are okay. We just need to go now for about 3 more minutes. Just get all those beans in there. And then this is done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. All done. Just make sure that's all right for salt and pepper, the seasoning. But you've got a lovely little kind of hot pot, easy kind of dish, loads of goodness in there. You can have that with some rice or some nice kind of crusty bread or something like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, helps us out a great deal. And please do click that bell icon just below. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.